What is a AC orifice tube? What does it do and why is it important? Well, let's check out this one right here. A compressor that failed bad. There's some grinding going on. First, you got to locate your orifice tube. Right here, you'll see kind of like a fatter piece in your pipe. And that's probably where it's hiding. Here's the new replacement one right here. You can see it's got an O-ring and it looks like a filter screen. It's going to collect debris, especially if any shavings came from that old compressor. I'm going to use my fancy pliers and pull this old one out. Hopefully it comes out easy. A lot of times they're jammed in there. Oh, this one came out real easy. And oh my God, let's see if we can get the camera to focus. This one you can't even see through. It is so clogged up with metal. Look at that one. Just nasty, nasty. And that's why it's important to replace these. We're not going to get much flow through this one. So when you see anything like that, you definitely know that this AC system all the way around needs to be flushed out very well. Flush the system, put a new accumulator dryer on it, orifice tube, compressor, new O-ring kit, PAG oil. This one takes PAG 150, and go from there.